Hello everyone, this is Shrishti Mehra and today I'm going to show you what I bought for my class 11 session. So let's get started. Starting with my English book, there are two books in English. One is Hornbill and the second one is Snapshots. And then comes the maths book, and maths is my favorite subject. Do comment your favorite subject. Then comes my chemistry book. There are two books in chemistry, part 1 and part 2. And two books in physics also, part 1 and part 2. Now let's take a quick glance of our notebooks. I have got 6 registers for my subject. These are a set of 3 and are actually very heavy to lift. So now let me show you what I got for my tuition and rough notebook. I have purchased a register for my tuition and a rough notebook for my school. So as you all know that I'm fond of notes making, so for the same purpose I have bought 2 spiral notebooks. I will make precise notes of physics and chemistry in them. These were the books and copies of my class 11. Then I brought 2 transparent covers to cover my notebooks and books. The favorite part of my purchase today is my pencil pouch. So this pouch is actually very cute and I was attracted to it when I first saw it. Let me unbox the pouch for you. So this is a very spacious pencil pouch and I liked it very much. And I'm thinking of making a video of packing my pouch with cute things. Okay, so now I will show you the items that I will put in my pencil pouch. Starting off with pens, so I bought Target pens because I found them very beautiful and aesthetic and they are very smooth to write. Okay, so these come in 4 shades: blue, red, green and brown. If you want me to make review video of these pens, then do comment. Then I bought roller pens. As you can see from the packaging that these are anime inspired roller pens. They are also very smooth and I like the design by the way. As you all know that I'm an artist and any video is incomplete without me showing you any art supplement. So this time I have bought A5 sketchbook and colors. I have bought 2 colors, acrylic colors. These comes in 12 shades and 2 brushes for free, and then I have purchased fabric colors. You will soon be getting a video from me making fabric painting tutorial. Along with colors, I have purchased Dom's brush set. And then I have purchased dotting tools. One comes in a set of 8 and the other comes in a set of 5. I really wanted to try the dotting mandala and this time I bought the article. Then I bought group eraser of Dom's. It will help me in drawings and making detailings. Then I have purchased a wonderful diary stating good vibes only. This year I have planned to only stay positive and stay away from negative energy, negative aura. So this diary is from Artisius and its pages are extremely good. And now let me show you my doodling pad. It is also from Artisius and I really liked its cuteness though. I have purchased it to write the important topics and important things that I need to remember. The quality of its pages is extremely good and in Amazon I saw it labeled 100 rupees on each copy and I purchased it for 50 rupees. So I think that it's a steal deal. I'm an artist and a crafter also. So for crafts, I purchased decorative sheets and A4 size colorful papers. Then I have purchased Dawn's liquid glitters for my project and artworks that I will be getting this year. Then I bought basic supplies like scissors, white pen, white markers. I have also bought wooden sticks and a cutter too. I will be soon making craft videos on these. Then I bought a few more supplies like mechanical pencil. By the way, it's Tom's Ultra Click mechanical pencil. Then I have also purchased some ball pens for my rough work. The first one is Dom's Inks Pop and the second one is Dom's Instrax. And the famous word of these pens in our childhood was Tik Tik Wali pen. Then I purchased masking tape, whitener, sellotape, glue. This is a Frigo glue actually. So that's the main stationery I bought for my class 11. By the way, I forgot to tell you that I scored 96% in my class 10 boards and I am willing to take PCM as my stream. If you all like my video and want me to make more such videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will be making a part 2 of it soon. Thanks for watching.